Hello, my name is Wendy Arias. So for our UDL prompt questions, the first question is identify one area in which you have grown. For me personally, the one area I have grown in was in our BSCS 5E model of exploration. I feel this section was very difficult for me because I didn't realize that the exploration is more student driven, not teacher. And so for this section, the do's and don'ts consist of encouraging the students to work together. Therefore, my co-teacher and I decided to do stations. And meanwhile, the students are in their stations. The teacher would be walking around asking probing questions, which is definitely consistent with this model. So also, the other part is, where do I see potential to grow? And the place where I see potential to grow is in my evaluation section. And for evaluation, my understanding was that I simply had to give the students their products and assess their knowledge and their understanding through the products. So, however, I actually have changed it a bit. So for our summative assessment, we would be using a mastery of 4 out of 6, and students will use their products. However, I would have to assess them by discussing their products and what they learned through the investigation, and also kind of to identify what they learned from it. What was it that they got out of their research in investigating the roles of these women? So, as for the next question, it says, state your co-teaching model. So, Bethany and I have decided to do a team teaching. So for team teaching, we will be going back and forth, alternating. The first day she will be teaching, and the second day I will be teaching. Also, we have decided to do stations. So for our stations, we broke it apart. So the first day will be 3 stations, and the second day will be the next 3 stations, for a total of 6 stations. And meanwhile, the first day, Bethany is teaching the lesson to 3 stations. I will be hovering around and asking probing questions. And then we will alternate on the second day. As for which UDL influence reflection prompt choices makes sense in terms of our lesson, we decided on SMORE. So, given that SMORE is very easy to use, and our stations will be more group-oriented, we decided that perhaps they could create their own SMORE in one station. So for the station of soldiers, they could perhaps bring up the picture of Margaret Corbin, who was one of the women soldiers who she didn't disguise herself. She was one of the women who fought in the Revolutionary War. So she manned the guns. And they can go ahead and explain her role in the Revolutionary War down here. And that could be collaborative between the two, between the groups and between the students. So they can go ahead and do that, and that would be one of the online sources that they could use. And that's why we decided to do SMORE, because it's very easy, and it consists with the time frame that we have. So that is what we have, and I believe I have answered all the questions.